check me out. Yo, some people know me as a stripper hoe. The stripper hoes get the money in real digits though. A lot of bitches talking down on me like I'm a joke. Talk shit, I fucking man, send him back, hella broke. So hey y'all, this gonna be quick. It's not really much of a tutorial because I already started my hair, but I'm about to do a 3-part vixen sewing, and this is how I braided it. This is my leave out. I've never braided my hair like this before, so it was a little difficult because of positioning. But other than that, I will be using this hair right here. This is by Femi collection. I love the Femi collection, so hopefully this will do good. It feels really good. I'm actually dyeing the hair downstairs right now, so once it's dyed, I'll show you how it looked when it was dyed. Because right now, this color is like it's like a natural brown color, but I dyed it black to match my hair. So yeah, this is not a tutorial, but I just wanted to, you know, let y'all see my steps. So stay tuned. So this is how the hair looked dyed. I'm about to rinse it out. So far, this is what I got. I did run out of hair because I wanted to make sure it was full since I'm doing a vixen. So, basically, it's 2 bundles back here. It's 2 bundles on this side. And I'm going to do 2 bundles on here. So, I'm glad I did get 3 bundles. And it's starting to dry up and it's not really that big. So, I'm excited, y'all. So, hey, my lovelies. It's all done. I love it. This is actually the next day, so I'm sorry, y'all. These are my favorite candy right here. Sorry. But I love it. Okay, guys, so I decided to do big plaits all over just to tame it down. I want to see how it's going to look. So here is the twist. I'll see y'all tomorrow. So I did 2-strand twisted the other day, but I decided to wash it just now. I just missed the curly curl. I like this. I'm not gonna put nothing in it. I'm gonna just let it air dry. I did put a little bit of gel to blend in my leave out, but this is it. So guys, this is day 4. I'm loving this hair. I did not tie my hair up. Sorry, y'all know I don't be tying my hair up. I need to do better, but it still look good for me to just slap on it and wake up and just go. So this is day 4. I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna keep coming back and showing y'all what this hair do. So this is, and I actually like it though. Like, I like it. So this is the 2nd week of this hair. Oh my god, y'all. I'm in love. I'm gonna wash it probably Monday because I try to wash it every week. So, but this is it. Now, it is a little shedding. I mean, that's normal. I will get this hair again. I just will seal the wefts because it's really some good hair. But other than that, it's really curly. But you know, since I don't tie my hair up, this is what it looks like. So this is week 1, and I'll be back. I mean, this is week 2. I'm tripping. So see y'all soon. So this is the 3rd week. I just washed it out. I'm gonna, excuse me, insert a clip where I combed it out because, like I say, curly hair, it's high maintenance. Like, not when you don't gotta do nothing, it's not, but the wash day is. So I had to comb it all out and condition it. So this is week 3 and it's still going strong. It's not hard. You know how, like, after you wash the hair so many times, it loses its texture, loses its curl. It has not. So I say so far so good. So I'll be back. So just in case I forget to do a final update on it. I just came from the club. It's late night, but hey, I'm looking fabulous, I think. But yeah, I'm about to take this out. I'm gonna try to run this down really fast. The pros is very soft. You can't wash it. You can't dye it. Um, I have fun with it. The cons is shed like a rabbit coat. So I mean, if you seal the wefts, I think it's still a good brand for the price that it was. Um, I will do this again, but I will seal the wefts. But I got to do some cute little styles with it or whatever. So yeah, I'm about to take this out, and this is the end of the journey with this hair. But like I said, I did a lot. So thanks for watching. If you like, make sure you like, subscribe. I'm a little tipsy, so whatever. And thanks for watching.